Okay, so Vern here. I'm with Jennifer, and we're about, what, Jennifer, 2 hours post procedure.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So what's your initial feeling and reaction to how do you feel when you looked in the mirror and you saw yourself with this much hair?
I felt, I felt so much younger, and I felt just feeling full, and not seeing through my hair was like,
I remember when I was in the room, you said something like, I used to have like a big gap over here.
Yes,
like
and now it's filled, and it feels so good.
2 hours later.
And the hair feels like my own hair. Just like my own hair, the thickness of it and everything, each strand, it's like feeling my own hair.
How long has it been since it's felt this way and looked this way?
I would say 20 years.
22 decades. Wow.
Yeah.
So who's the first person that gets to see you with your new look?
My husband and my kids, and my true test will be with my kids because they have no idea what I'm doing today.